we discovered early on is that stem cells in our body contribute to building and repairing blood vessels.
Meet Dr. William Li, a well-recognized author, leader, and physician who introduced groundbreaking strategies to stay healthy by eating right. His work has been acknowledged by O Magazine, The Atlantic, USA Today, The New York Times, Time, Wall Street Journal, and CNN, as well as the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and the Clinton Global Initiative. In the New York Times, the main singer of the band, U2, Bono, has labeled Dr. William as one of the top 10 individuals that have the potential to change the world.
One of the things that it was remarkable to discover is that some of the synthetic chemicals that you could order from a research shop could actually stimulate stem cells. But then it was really jaw-dropping to me. In fact, one of the most...
In this video, we will talk about 5 amazing breakfasts that can effortlessly increase the count of stem cells and repair the body. Dr. William, as an androgenesis researcher, discovered that stem cells help repair and build the blood vessels. Therefore, after conducting some lab tests, he was able to find natural foods that could stimulate stem cells the same way as chemical substances available at a research shop. The first amazing breakfast on our list is a broccoli scramble. Prepared from broccoli, broccoli sprouts, and eggs, this meal is packed with a number of nutrients, which can help with stem cell regeneration.
Now, I like to cook. So, when you get me talking about foods, I'll usually start talking about the foods. And most people think about broccoli, okay? I would tell you broccoli, like other brassica family of vegetables, have isothiocyanates. These are the class of molecules that create sulforaphanes. And sulforaphanes are great for our metabolism. They help to lower burn down our harmful body fat. They lower inflammation, which is really, really critical.
Broccoli is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. Furthermore, it is packed with antioxidants including vitamin E, beta-carotene, and many flavonoids, which help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals and eliminate the risk of chronic diseases. The high amounts of vitamin C in broccoli boost the immune system and trigger collagen synthesis, while also promoting wound healing and iron absorption. In addition, the vitamin K and calcium in it maintain healthy bones and aid in the prevention of osteoporosis.
But the broccoli sprouts have 100 times more of the sulforaphanes, the good stuff, as a grown-up broccoli. So broccoli sprouts. Now, studies have been done to show that if you give people a flu shot, people in the winter should get a flu shot so you don't get the flu. All right. Just go to your drugstore to get one. Turns out that if you, they did a study looking at people getting the flu shot, and they gave half the people a little shake made with broccoli sprouts, and the other group just got a placebo. And the people who got the broccoli sprout shake and the flu shot, their beneficial response of their immune system is 22 times higher.
While broccoli provides a variety of health benefits, broccoli sprouts deliver even more remarkable advantages. They contain sulforaphane, a bioactive compound that stimulates the immune system against viruses. Broccoli sprouts also help the body fight other illnesses, including cancer, more effectively compared to mature broccoli due to the presence of antioxidants like glucoraphanin. But how do we prepare this amazing breakfast? Gather ingredients including 1 cup of chopped broccoli florets, ½ cup of broccoli sprouts, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 small diced onion, 1 minced garlic clove, and salt and pepper to taste. In a pan, heat the olive oil and add the diced onion, sauté for 3 minutes. Now add the minced garlic and broccoli florets and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the broccoli softens. In the meantime, prepare egg scramble by whisking eggs in a bowl with salt, pepper, and turmeric, if you prefer. Now pour the egg mixture into the pan with cooked broccoli. Ensure to scramble continuously and mix the eggs with the veggies. Once the eggs are done, add broccoli sprouts and mix. Serve it out on a plate and squeeze a lemon for a refreshing taste. The second breakfast on our list is leafy greens sauté with tomatoes. This meal isn't only about leafy greens and tomatoes, but also combines the fine taste and health benefits of turmeric and oregano.
And many of the brassica family of vegetables, you're talking about broccoli, you're talking about kale, you're talking about Brussels sprouts, you're talking about bok choy, you're talking about Swiss chard. These are vegetables that are growing in the summer gardens, and take a little extra olive oil, saute some garlic on it, and just throw the vegetables in there, hit them with a little bit of spice, and you've got very quickly a delicious warm cooked vegetable dish. What's happening is that when you're eating that delicious food, the polyphenols and the sulforaphanes get absorbed into our bloodstream, all right, from your stomach. And they serve a number of functions that help protect your heart. Number one, they lower oxidative stress while these molecules are coursing through your blood vessels, because they've been absorbed after you've eaten them from your stomach. They're protecting the walls of your blood vessels from damage.
Leafy greens are generally considered soggy and wilted salad sidekick, taking up corner space in refrigerators. However, these natural foods are more than just that. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that help body in the amazing ways. Leafy green vegetables including kale, spinach, collard greens, bok choy, beet greens, arugula, and Swiss chard have vitamins A, C, and K, folate, calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, fiber, and antioxidants, which maintain overall body health and neutralize free radicals in the body. Tomatoes, on the other hand, are best known for their immune system benefits. Their immunity system benefits stem from their high vitamin C content. Apart from that, tomatoes are an anti-angiogenic food that helps block the abnormal growth of blood vessels, especially in cancer development. They contain a compound called lycopene, which is abundant in San Marzano tomatoes, tangerine tomatoes, and red-black skin tomatoes. Lycopene is the only compound that makes tomatoes anti-angiogenic in nature. Raw tomatoes are packed with cis lycopene, which is another form of lycopene and is generally difficult for the body to absorb. Therefore, it is recommended to cook tomatoes in olive oil, which turns cis lycopene into translycopene, which is easier to absorb. Let's now prepare leafy green sauté with tomatoes. Gather 2 cups of chopped spinach, 1 large diced tomato, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon dried oregano, 1 minced garlic clove, salt, pepper, and 1/4 cup of water or vegetable broth. Start by heating olive oil in the pan and sauté minced garlic for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the diced tomatoes and sauté for another 3 to 4 minutes until they are soft. For flavor, toss in turmeric and oregano powder and cook for 1 minute. Add chopped spinach to the flavored tomatoes, cook for 5 minutes until the greens become soft, and then add the water or vegetable broth so the spinach doesn't stick to the pan. Finish with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. You can also add a IT of lemon juice for a refreshing flavor. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you would like to see more videos featuring recipes, let us know in the comments below. The next superb breakfast idea is one delicious way to boost energy and stem cells all together by having dark chocolate berry oatmeal bars. These bars are made from cranberries, strawberries, black raspberries, rolled oats, and dark chocolate chips.
It's found in fruit peel, right? The peel of an apple, the peel of a pear, the peel of cranberries, a peel of blueberries, right? These are fruit peels. And most likely, if you have eaten an apple, unless you were a kid and your grandmother peeled the apple for you, you just take an apple and clean it and then just eat the whole thing, right? The peel's got good source of dietary fiber and ursolic acid. Ursolic acid has been shown to stimulate stem cells to come out of the bone marrow and help to stimulate regeneration and to repair blood vessels.
Berries, including strawberries and cranberries, can help promote the proper process of angiogenesis in which the body grows and maintains blood vessels. Furthermore, berries can also boost the immune system, which in turn helps protect the body from viruses and bacteria. Lastly, black raspberries have been proven to trigger stem cells in the body. They can also have a positive effect on cancer by making precancerous lesions less intensive and lowering the cellular changes to block cancer development.
We took this even further to look at the role of other foods that can stimulate stem cells, and one of them is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has a very particular benefit because, first of all, chocolate is a confection. It's a candy. It's made, it's crafted to be sweet and delicious. And most people like dark chocolate, but contains a plant-based food ingredient, and that's cacao.
Dark chocolate with 80% or more cacao powder is loaded with a lot of nutrients that stimulate the body's natural defense system and maintain overall body health. The human body has around 750,000 stem cells, which regrow and regenerate repeatedly. Dark chocolate helps supercharge the process of stem cell regeneration. Let's now prepare these amazing dark chocolate berry oatmeal bars. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of dried cranberries and black raspberries, half a cup of chopped strawberries, 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips, and 1/4 cup of both maple syrup and peanut butter. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and set your baking dish with parchment paper. Add maple syrup and peanut butter in a saucepan and cook on low flame until smooth. Set aside. Now in a bowl, mix rolled oats, all 3 berries, dark chocolate chips, and salt to taste, and mix well. Pour the wet mixture from the saucepan into the bowl and combine everything evenly. Set the mixture on the baking dish and bake for 18 to 22 minutes. Insert a toothpick into the baking dish after the recommended time. If it comes out clean, your bars are ready. Once done, let them cool down and cut into small bars. Enjoy! The 4th breakfast idea is as good as others on this list: mushroom and barley breakfast bowl. This combination is perfect for maintaining gut health and metabolism and promoting longevity.
But beta-glucan has been discovered to stimulate stem cells. Now, where do you get beta-glucan? You can find them in mushrooms. Both the cap and the stipe, the stem of the mushroom, has beta-glucan. In fact, the stem of the mushroom has twice as much beta-glucan as the cap of the mushroom. Mm-hmm. So I always tell people, if you're actually preparing food, and you're cooking mushrooms, please don't throw the stems away because they have a lot of goodness to them.
Mushrooms contain a bioactive compound called beta-glucans, which are soluble fiber, ideal for improving the immunity system. Furthermore, it triggers the body's natural health defenses, stimulates metabolism, and boosts the gut microbiome. Beta-glucans are present in high amounts in the cap and stems of mushrooms, which people often end up chopping before cooking. Dr. William recommends using stems in a smoothie or a soup instead of throwing them away, since they contain twice as much beta-glucans than any other part of the mushroom. Besides, mushrooms like maitake and shiitake are packed with polyphenols, which work as stem cell enhancers.
And then you have some of these blood vessel regenerative foods like the barley with a beta-glucan or the mushrooms.
Barley is a whole grain that is super loaded with a lot of nutrients, including fats, fibers, carbs, protein, calories, riboflavin, thiamine, folate, iron, magnesium, and more. Similar to mushrooms, barley also contains beta-glucans, a dietary fiber. It can help lower cholesterol, generate blood vessels, and control blood sugar levels. How do we prepare this breakfast? You will need half a cup of uncooked pearl barley, 1 cup vegetable broth, 1 cup fresh mushrooms, half diced onion, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and optionally half a cup of kale. After rinsing the barley with cold water, add them to a pot with vegetable broth and bring to a boil. Cook for 25 to 30 minutes on a low flame until soft and water is absorbed. In a separate pan, sauté diced onion in olive oil for 3 minutes and then add minced garlic with sliced mushrooms. Stir the mixture for 5 minutes until mushrooms turn golden brown. Sprinkle salt and pepper. If you want, you can add kale at this point and cook until it softens. Combine barley with the mushrooms and serve. The last superfood breakfast on this list is perfect for seafood lovers: cod and carrot frittata. Prepared from codfish, eggs, and carrots, this meal will help keep you healthy and promote longevity in the long run.
Hey there, Dr. Willie here. I am once again in the market, and I'm actually in the section with preserved foods, and I want to show you something that you might not naturally go check out. This is an entire section of different types of anchovy products, and Anchovies are high in omega-3 fatty acids, and that's really good for your metabolism and also good to protect your stem cells, or one of your health defenses to help you regenerate and heal from the inside out. Now, let me just show you. This is actually a tube of anchovy paste. Now, this actually looks like a tube of toothpaste, and you squeeze it out into a pan with a little bit of olive oil. You mash it around as it heats up, and you can saute anything in it, and you'll actually give it a really, really nice umami anchovy flavor, dripping with healthy omega-3 fatty acids.
Fish are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential dietary fibers that provide a significant amount of health benefits. A study involving 2692 senior adults found that individuals who had fish more than usual lived 2.2 years more than adults who didn't, because of omega-3 fatty acids concentration. Omega-3 fatty acids are also associated with stem cell regeneration, as well as reducing the risk of heart disease. People consider carrots as a good addition to salads or dishes as an extra, but carrots are highly healthy vegetables. Carrots can easily trigger the body's 5 defense systems, including androgenesis, cell regeneration, the microbiome, immunity system, and DNA protection. The bioactives in carrots, known as carotenoids, are effective antioxidants.
And as a molecule, but olive oil as a food substance, all right, has been shown to be protective of our stem cells, meaning when you consume olive oil and you get these polyphenols, the hydroxytyrosol, oleocanthal in our bloodstream circulating around. Look, there's a lot of stuff in our bloodstream that's going on, a lot of exposures that we have. And when you've got hydroxytyrosol from olive oil in the bloodstream along with your stem cells, they sort of act as police escorts to help your stem cells get to where they go in a safer way.
Let's prepare cod and carrot frittata. Start by gathering your ingredients. 200 grams cod fillet, 2 thinly sliced medium carrots, 6 eggs, 1/4 cup milk of your choice, 1 diced onion, 1 tablespoon of olive, salt and pepper to taste, and chopped parsley, optional. Chop the fillet into bite-sized pieces and season the chopped fish with salt and pepper. In a pan, heat olive oil, add onions and sauté for 2 minutes until soft. Now add carrots and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Push vegetables to a side in the pan and add fish pieces. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes and change sides gently. In the meantime, whisk eggs in a bowl with milk, salt, and pepper. Pour the eggs over the fish and vegetables in the pan. Stir slowly and lower the flame. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until frittata is set. Finish by keeping the pan under a preheated broiler or grill for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from the oven and let it cool before slicing and serve. Now, if you want to learn more amazing breakfast ideas which can keep your body healthy effortlessly, watch this next video.